Hi everyone, it's me Ina again, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a very healthy quinoa salad with grilled chicken tenderloin. So these are the ingredients that we need to prepare for our quinoa salad. In this video, I already prepared the quinoa ahead of time. Just follow the cooking instruction at the back of the package when you buy a quinoa. But before that, I'm gonna show you how to prepare the grilled chicken tenderloin. You could use a chicken breast too if you want. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Coat the chicken evenly and then preheat the pan or grill to medium-high heat. Cook the chicken 3 to 4 minutes on each side until cook through. Do not let our chicken to be overcooked. We are looking for a nice golden brown like this. And then remove the chicken from the pan and then set aside. Okay, let us now cut our chicken. Look, this is what we are looking for. A nice and moist chicken. Cut the chicken into cubes and then set aside. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we need for a quinoa salad with a grilled chicken tenderloin. So what we need now is 3 cups of cooked quinoa, like this, and then a pound of grilled chicken tenderloin. We also need a cup of chopped cucumber. We need 1 cup of steamed corn, and we need a 1 cup of black beans. We also need 1 avocado and limes. We also need a ground pepper, salt, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and of course cumin. We also need 1 half cup of cilantro and 1 cup of grape tomato. Okay, let's start now. So we're gonna put everything together. Let's start with the quinoa, and then followed by steamed corn. We're just gonna put everything together. It doesn't need to be in order. So we're gonna put the chopped cucumber, and then the black beans, of course. I'm gonna put the grape tomatoes, and then the scallion, and chopped cilantro. And now we're going to put our grilled chicken tenderloin. That's a lot of chicken. And that's gonna be good. So we're gonna put 1 lime, 1 juice. The juice of 1 lime. And then you can always put more later on if you need to. Now we're gonna put the 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then let's put the cumin. And then ground pepper. And of course, salt. Now we are also going to put avocado. If you're gonna consume it right away, it's okay to put the avocado. But if you're just gonna put it inside the refrigerator, if you have leftover, it's better for you to put the avocado before you eat. The quinoa salad. Wow, this is gonna be good. I always want to put avocado in my salad because it it tastes different when you put avocado. Now we're gonna mix everything together. This is gonna be good, and this is very healthy. I know quinoa is carbohydrates, but it's a good carbohydrates. It's very healthy, so it's really good for us to to eat once in a while, something like this, or maybe every day. Look at the color, Oh, this is really good and very healthy. My daughter really loves it to eat this. Let's try. Wow, it's very good, but I need to put more salt. Yummy. Okay, I think this is ready. Oh my god. Oh, so our grilled chicken, no, quinoa salad with chicken tenderloin is ready now. I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope you like the recipe. And thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.